Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to do an unboxing review of the Bose Q35 Mark IIs. We did the Sony review just recently, and a lot of you have been asking, hey, how do these compare? We've been seeing a lot of stuff on YouTube, but we'd like to hear an audio test. We want to hear the call quality test. We want to know what they sound like on a plane. So we're going to do the unboxing, we're going to do the review, and we're also going to do the call test and the quality test of noise canceling on a plane. So let's go ahead and check them out. Alright, so let's start doing the unboxing of these. We'll remove the plastic. And you can see how this is advertised to, be both supporting of the Apple ecosystem as well as the Google ecosystem, so that's pretty great. And then let's take a look at some of the advertising or what they're highlighting here as it talks a little bit about the specs, and then we'll see what's inside the box. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. Alright, so we'll zoom in a bit here. So a couple things that you're going to find is, first of all, that has fantastic noise cancellation, and we're going to see that in a real world test. Bose was known for years as being the leader in this category, and I would say some are arguing that the Sony M3s are now even better. But the Quiet Comfort 35 Mark IIs are known for noise canceling, and this is what I see on planes almost on a weekly basis. So world-class noise cancellation, noise rejecting microarray for clear calls. This is going to be cool or really critical for me. I do a lot of business calls, so having again, a headset that's going to be able to cancel the noise, but at the same time give me a great call experience is important. The other thing that you have is with the Bose app, you have the Google Assistant, but again, 20 hours, right, of usage, up to 20 hours of usage, and up to 40 hours wired. That's absolutely, again, a world-class type model when it comes to how long the battery is going to support. So let's take a look at the actual contents and see what's inside. Alright, so we'll go ahead and slide this off. We have Bose advertising, and then pretty much that's it. Here you have kind of like a little instruction guide for the Bose app and everything that you'd have to install. Push this to the side, and let's get right to business. So this is the case. Very small case, which is really nice. Has a back support here. Has a little hook here that you can use. We'll open this up. Let's see. Very easily or similarly configured. I say they're similar to what I saw with the Sonys, right? The one thing I noticed immediately is that the on-off switch, you have that little red dot there, and then you'll notice how it's configured here. So we're going to go ahead and pull these out. Has this nice little foam here. It looks like the separator here. And then what we have here, it looks like is our aux cable. And then here, it looks like we have a micro USB maybe. Well, we wouldn't be so lucky. Let's see what this has. I think this is going to be so it's not a USB-C, but it's a micro USB cable. So we have the cable in here. We have the aux cable. It doesn't, it's decent size auxiliary cable there. And then these are going to fit in the case just like this. Let's go ahead and put them back in here. And I guess this is a little separator. I don't know if you need this separator, so I guess we'll throw this out. And that's pretty much what there's to it. So these additional cables could probably go tucked away here. You'll notice no user guide. It was a really plain and simple unboxing. Now the next thing we'll look at is how light these things are in the construction, and they are extremely light. As we fold them open, they feel so light that they even feel cheap because they're so light, but they're definitely not cheap at over $300. They collapse easily. You have some memory foam here that's going to make it nice and easy to wear. They don't feel vice-like, so I don't think that it's going to cause a lot of pressure to my head. Memory foam here is nice, and you'll notice that it has kind of this gapping here that is going to be for the heat that gets trapped in here. It actually comes out. I like that. That's a nice feature. You'll notice that there is the left right here symbol, and you'll notice the right symbol. Let's flip this way so you can see that. So you see how it's kind of in there. It's pretty cool because it's kind of imprinted in here almost, and it's definitely a nice and subtle way to show your left and right. You have your on-off switch here. You have all your controls here, as you can see. You have your noise canceling there, headphone jack, and then you have your micro USB charging port. You do have some mics that are picking up some things there, and that's pretty much it. Very, very simple. Let's see what these look like on.
All right, guys, we're here in Chicago O'Hare Airport, testing out the Bose Q35 Mark II, and we're doing a call quality test. So let me know what you think about the call quality. It's a semi-busy day, Sunday, around 8 o'clock at night, so not a lot of people walking in the airport. But this should give you an idea of what kind of quality the headphones have when it comes to calls. Do you think they sound better than the Sony? Remember, we just checked out the Sony Mark IIIs. So these are the Q35 Mark IIs. What do you think about the call quality? Let me know in the comment area below.
Noise cancellation, high. Low. Off. High. Low. Off.
So guys, that concludes our review of the Bose Quiet Comfort 35, and these are, again, the Mark IIs. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment area below. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.